Welcome back, deep divers. Ready to plunge into another fascinating corner of the natural world?
Always. What we got today?
Well, today's subject is something truly remarkable, something that sounds like it swam right out of science fiction.
You've got me intrigued. Hit me with it.
We're going deep on octopuses,
Octopuses, huh? Always up for learning more about those cephalopod brainiacs.
and we're going to zero in on one of their most bizarre features. Ready for this?
Lay it on me.
They have 3 hearts.
3 hearts.
3 hearts.
I gotta say, that is pretty wild. Why 3? Why not 2, like us land mammals, or 1 big one?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? And it's exactly what we're diving into today. Why would evolution go this route? Why 3 hearts for these cephalopods?
Well, I think we gotta think about their lifestyle, right?
Absolutely.
You're this soft-bodied creature in an ocean that's absolutely teeming with predators. You need to be quick, agile, and that requires, well, it requires a top-notch oxygen delivery system.
Makes sense, yeah.
Yeah,
So 3 hearts, huh? That's evolution's answer for these guys.
seems like it.
Okay, so 3 hearts. Break it down for me. How does this actually work? What's the system here?
Well, think of it this way. 2 of these hearts are all about efficiency. They're called branchial hearts, and they focus solely on pushing blood through the gills.
The gills.
Yeah.
Gotcha, where it picks up oxygen.
Right, so it's like having dedicated pumps, just for breathing.
Okay. So supercharged oxygen intake. But then what about that 3rd heart? What's its deal?
That's the systemic heart. And its job, that's the one circulating the freshly oxygenated blood throughout the rest of the body to all the tissues and organs that need it.
Makes sense. So 2 for the gills, 1 for the body. Seems like a pretty smart system.
It is. It's key to their survival, especially when you consider how active octopuses can be, all the energy they need to hunt, escape, just survive in their crazy underwater world.
That makes total sense, yeah.
Yeah.
But here's a question. This always kind of bugged me. If 2 hearts are powering the gills and 1 is circulating the blood, what happens when an octopus swims?
Okay, get ready for this, because this is where it gets kind of strange. When an octopus swims, the systemic heart actually stops beating.
Wait, what? It just stops?
It stops.
That seems like a serious design flaw. I mean, wouldn't that mean swimming would be incredibly tiring for them?
You're right. It's much more energetically expensive for an octopus to swim than, say, to crawl along the seabed.
Yeah, that's just bizarre.
It is. It seems counterintuitive. But remember, we're talking about an animal that has blue blood.
Blue blood.
Yeah, blue blood. And that's because of a copper-based protein called hemocyanin. It's what carries oxygen in their blood.
Okay, but why blue?
Hemocyanin isn't as efficient at carrying oxygen as our iron-based hemoglobin, the stuff that makes our blood red.
Oh, okay.
So this 3-heart system with all its weird pauses and its specialized pumps, it's kind of like a way of compensating for that.
A trade-off.
Yeah.
They gain efficiency in oxygen uptake, but then they sacrifice stamina when they swim.
You got it.
So it's like they get a super boost when they need it, but long-distance swimming, not so much.
Yeah. Explains why they generally prefer to just crawl around.
That's wild. But their adaptations, they don't stop there.
Oh, not even close.
I mean, octopuses are like masters of disguise. They're incredible problem solvers. I mean, they can even open jars.
I've seen those videos. It's amazing.
How do they do it?
Well, a lot of it has to do with their incredible nervous system, their brains.
You mean like those crazy arms, those tentacles that seem to have a mind of their own?
Exactly. I mean, did you know that octopuses have more neurons in their arms than they do in their central brain?
Seriously?
Yeah, it's true. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are actually located in their arms.
Like, way.
Yeah. This allows for incredibly complex, almost independent movement and control of their arms. Just think about that. Each arm can taste, touch, and react to its environment without any direct input from the central brain.
Hold on. So it's like each arm is its own little sensory station.
Pretty much.
No wonder they're so good at manipulating objects.
Yeah.
Like getting out of those tricky situations, opening jars.
Exactly. And we can't forget about their amazing ability to regenerate lost limbs.
Talk about a superpower.
Right. Imagine losing an arm in a fight with a predator and then just growing a new one.
That's insane. It seems like everything about these creatures, everything about their biology is just designed for survival in this, super harsh environment.
It really is.
It's mind-blowing. I mean, we've only just scratched the surface here.
And think about the bigger picture here.
Yeah.
Studying octopus biology, it gives us this unique window into the sheer diversity of life on Earth and the incredible paths that evolution can take.
Yeah, it challenges our whole understanding of animal physiology. It makes us rethink how life can adapt to these extreme conditions.
Totally.
All right, so just to recap, we've got 3 hearts pumping blue blood, a decentralized nervous system that gives each arm, each tentacle a mind of its own, and then the ability to regenerate limbs. It's just incredible.
It really is. And, it just makes you wonder, what other surprises are lurking out there in the depths of our oceans?
Oh, I know.
If octopuses have evolved these incredible adaptations, what other, mind-boggling strategies for survival might be waiting to be discovered?
That's a thought that makes you want to just grab a scuba tank and jump right in.
Mm-hmm.
To our listeners, if you're as captivated by octopuses as we are, keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows what other wonders you might uncover.
That's right. Never stop exploring.
Thanks for taking this deep dive with us.
Always a pleasure.
We'll see you next time.
See you then.